in today's video, I am installing Clearbra on a Model Y, brand new standard range. Yeah, I'm using STEK Paint Protection Film on this whole front end. So yeah, stay tuned and you'll see the results. And it's hard to tell on camera, but yeah, STEK, really good film. All right, so I got the bumper done. Came out really good. I used STEK Paint Protection Film. So I had a couple requests to show like up close of what it looks like. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm really happy because I've heard of other installers doing one-piece bumpers, no seams. I'm like, I don't know about that. But on the Model Y, it is possible because this area is shallower than the Model 3. Model 3 goes in a little bit more. So, as you can see right here, let me take this lens off. As you can see, there's the paint protection film all the way to the edge, and it comes up. Yeah, it's still drying a little bit up here, and then yeah, it goes right there. Anyways, yeah, there's no seam here. Normally the kit, the seam is right here and right here. So the only thing with doing a one piece is you gotta somehow, there's a little water bubble in there somewhere. If I can get it out, it's gone. Oh, I gotta work that one out. Oh, there we go. You see there's water in there still. Yeah, I just finished it, so I haven't even really gone over it. But yeah, so you like cut it right there, and then it folds in here, and it folds in here. But since you're doing one piece, you can't seam it here and then butt it all the way in there. So you lose a little bit of corner and a little bit, can you see it? Yeah, it's like right here. And then once you get up here, then you can tuck it all the way. And it goes all the way in there. It goes all the way to the edge. And then it goes all the way to the edge right here. So yeah, the sacrifice for one piece, I still think it looks really good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, I gotta trim all these. Yeah, it goes all the way up here. It wraps in there. Goes all the way to there. With the Model Y bumpers, they have like hard plastic lines right here. So sometimes if you wrap a little bit further, it's not going to sit flat. So I follow that line right there in that corner. I know other installers, they wrap it in there. I really don't think it makes a difference. Me personally, I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to do that. The risk reward is not enough for me. But yeah, all the way, same thing on this side, right here. Yeah, I still got to dry this edge. But you can see right there, I don't know, there we go. And one line didn't come out that straight right there, but yeah, there's no seam. It's still drying, so I'm gonna tuck this one. I don't normally tuck all the time, but yeah, came out good. This STEK's super glossy. Yeah, it's super glossy. It's insane how glossy it is compared to like Expel and I don't ever use 3M. I'm gonna make a video about that, of why I don't, and why you shouldn't buy one of those eBay kits. So yeah, I got the hood. Got the hood all dried up now. So I just got to tuck it. Yeah, super glossy. But yeah, so it's all like right there. Sometimes when you're looking for paint protection film, you can get caught up in the hype of certain brands and installers and the way they do it. Whether they remove everything and they tuck everything, seamless, and it all sounds good, but I don't personally do that, like taking it apart and stuff, because I really don't want to break any clips, and I don't want to buy any clips. And the difference between when you take it apart and you don't take it apart, you're really not gonna know. So in my opinion, it's not worth it. Yeah, I still got the fenders to do, and then we're gonna do all 4 doors probably tomorrow, because I'm not gonna finish that today. And then the mirrors right here. But yeah, I'm tired already. Had a long day yesterday, so yeah, gonna get to it. All right, hood's done, all wrapped edges. I'm gonna start the fenders now. We're doing full fenders. I'm not gonna take this off because last time I took one off, I chipped paint, and I don't want to do that again, and I'm scared, so that's probably why. Anyways, you don't need to do it. You can still get a really good install with leaving it on. Let me show you how I do it. I haven't seen anybody online do it this way, but maybe they do, they just don't show it. So this is my template I made with tape. Put it around the thing, you know, and then I put it on the back side of this, and then it shows through. You can kind of see right there. And now I got my fender piece, and it's approximate location. I'll probably trim just a little inside so that it tucks nicely under that. It will, or camera. And yeah, you won't see it. So it's kind of like doing it how a kit does it, but it's a bulk install with a custom template cutout thing. I don't know. Anyways, I'll show you once I'm done. Judge for yourself if you like it or not. So here we go. Got the fenders done. I did that pre-cut you know, thing, and yeah, check it out, see for yourself. You see the line right there. I didn't get it all the way under, but everywhere else is tucked under there, so it's tucked under pretty good. Well, you have to go far to see it, but actually that one I think I cut a little bit too big. This one's a little bit better. It's still drying right here, but this one is a little bit more hidden, so yeah, still drying. Well, we got it all done. But yeah, check out the wheel well area too. So this tucks right in that little groove. No big deal. I got to trim this a little bit. Goes all the way down. Yeah, it's still a little bit wet down here. But yeah, so for me, I don't want to take it apart because I don't want to break anything, chip the paint, and yeah, It's just what I'm comfortable with. Anyways, almost done for today. Got to do the headlights, fog lights, and mirrors. And then tomorrow I'm going to come back and do the doors. So all 4 doors. And then maybe if I have time, I'm going to do the rest of the car. So yeah, but I have other jobs, so I got to commit to. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.